In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search box in Google Sites. Adding a search box makes it easier for visitors to quickly find the pages or topics they need, which is especially helpful as your site grows. I'll walk you through a simple option built right into Google Sites, and I'll also show you where to access an advanced approach if you already use a custom search tool. Start by opening your Google site in the editor, then navigate to the specific page where you want the search box to appear. Think about placement before you add it. Most people put it near the top of a page or in a header area so it's easy to spot, but you can always reposition it later. Now look to the right-hand side of the editor for the Insert panel. Click Insert, then select More and choose Search Box. This option adds a native Google Sites search bar that automatically matches your site's style and searches across the pages of your site. After it appears on the page, drag it to the spot you want. You can resize it by pulling the blue handles, and you can use the alignment options to center it or line it up with other content so everything looks tidy. If you want more control over how search works, like searching multiple sites or adding specific refinements, use the advanced route. Click Insert, choose Embed, and then select Google Custom Search if you already use it. In the Embed window, you can paste the URL or the embed code provided by your custom search tool. This method is ideal if you've set up a programmable search engine and want to keep a consistent experience across different websites or domains. Keep in mind that the customization happens in your custom search service. Google Sites simply embeds it. Once the search box is in place, take a moment to preview the page. Check that the search field is large enough to type comfortably, that it contrasts well with your background, and that it's easy to find without scrolling. If you're using a theme, the search box will usually inherit those styles, which helps it look consistent with the rest of your site. That's all it takes. Open your Google site, go to the page where you want it, click Insert, More, and Search Box, or use Embed with Google Custom Search for an advanced setup. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your visitors a faster way to find exactly what they need.